Hello.
This one's too small. That's a funny looking vase, Gabby. My brother Elliot made it for me when he took Carmela's pottery class. I love it.
But it's lopsided. I don't think vases are supposed
Hi.
to look like that.
Hi.
You're right, Turner.
Do you got a smile for Mom?
So I think it's very special.
Yeah, come on. You got a smile for Mommy. Please. Whoa! Isaac just tackled me. You got a smile for Mom? Hi. I love you. You got a smile for Mama? Let me see. Let me see, double love. Dink, dink, dink. Dink, dink, dink.
That's true.
Hey, I think I found it.
See? That's it.
You're 12 weeks today. 12 weeks old. What do you think of that?
Just what we need.
What do you think of that?
Adios, Kenny.
What do you think? Yeah. What do you think, perfect? Huh?
You got a new heating coil, Carmela?
What do you think, perfect girl?
Now I can break everyone's pottery.
Well then, we had better hurry and fix her kiln.
I love you. I love you.
Are you okay, Susanna?
I want to make something pretty for my mommy. But look. Everybody else made nice things. Except me.
Even if your pot doesn't
Hello.
look like everyone else's, it's still special.
Really?
Hi.
See, your mom's going to love it because you made it yourself. And you made it just for her.
Oh, bless you. Okay, bye-bye.